Hi everyone, just want to do a quick review on this art easel that we purchased. This is a fantastic buy. So first off, right off the box, you have to assemble it with just these 4 legs and this shelf. They're easy screws, you could adjust them. It's pretty low right now for daughter. She's 3, she's not too tall, so we have it kind of low, but you could adjust it as they grow, which is really cool. It's made of very good wood quality. It's sanded, it's nice. They're not going to get splinters. It's safe. It looks nice. So it's double-sided. This is a chalkboard side right here. It comes with a full thing of chalk. This other side is the dry erase side, and it comes with a spool of paper, so you could slide it down and they could draw. Actually comes with a extra backup one, which is really nice. It comes with the letters and numbers. I'm actually in the process of putting them on. It comes with the magnets, 6 magnets. Comes with 4 of these cool cups to store the dry erase markers in, and a cloth and a dry erase board. So this is a whole package. It's all set up. As you can tell, my daughter's loving it, having fun. So it's our 11-month-old. There's 2 sides, so they can both use it when the baby gets a little bit older. But I would definitely recommend. She's already been entertained for a couple hours doing this non-stop. A lot of things to do with this activity little easel. So I definitely recommend if you're looking for something to do, your child is into art and drawing and stuff like that. A lot of activities and a lot of hours of enjoyment. So thank you.